Hi crochet friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stefania and today is lesson 3 of my Crochet 101 series. In this series, I'll be breaking down the basics of crochet so you can go from an absolute beginner to a confident crocheter. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how to do a single crochet stitch. Without further ado, let's get right to it. For demonstration purposes, I've already created the chain that we're going to put our single crochet stitches into. If you're not sure how to make a chain, check out the previous episode of the Crochet 101 series. To begin, I've got a chain of 10 stitches. First, we'll need to add one chain so that we keep 10 stitches. Then, in the second chain from the hook, so this one here, you'll insert your hook, yarn over, and pull that loop through. You'll then yarn over again, and pull the loop through both stitches. And that's your single crochet stitch. We'll continue by putting our hook into the next stitch, which is not this one where we just went into, but the other one here. Insert our hook, yarn over, pull a loop through, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. And that's our second crochet stitch. Continue adding your single crochet stitches in each of the chains until you get to the end. This is a good thing to practice when you're just learning to crochet because it's very repetitive, but you'll get good practice in keeping your tension even, and it's really the foundation of crochet. You can make most things just using single crochet stitches. Insert our hook, yarn over, pull a loop through, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. You'll want to be sure to put a single crochet stitch in each stitch down the row. You can count to make sure that you've still got 10 at the end, or however many stitches you started with. To begin the next row, we'll chain 1, and then in the second chain from the hook, we'll again put our hook, yarn over, pull the loop through, yarn over, and pull the loop through both loops. Make sure you're going through both loops of the previous round, unless your pattern specifies otherwise. Continue putting single crochet stitches down your row until the end. Some patterns also direct you to put single crochet stitches into a magic ring, which will allow you to crochet in basically a spiral. For demonstration purposes, I decided to show how to make a rectangle because it's more simplistic. But the process of making a single crochet stitch is the same no matter what shape you're making. Insert our hook, yarn over, pull a loop through, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Again, make sure you're crocheting into every single stitch in the row, and if you need to, you can always count to make sure that you still have the same number of stitches at the end. And there you have it, how to make single crochet stitches. Thanks so much for watching till the end of the video. If you liked this video, leave a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. I make new videos every week, including check-in videos, crochet tutorials, and other craft content. I have other lessons planned for this series, but if you have any questions about crochet, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!